It's time for our review again, and we're going to go back to your book, the Readers and Writers Workbook Notebook, and we're going to be on page 16. I hope you finished these 2 pages and had somebody check them last night. And we're going to start on these, and this is talking about our favorite kind of word, a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, animal, or a thing. And we'll play that Jack Hartman song again because I think that nouns rap is pretty fun. It says, mark the sentence that has a line under a noun that names a person, an animal, or a thing. Okay, guys, so you're going to have to mark the page. I'll give you a second to find it. All right, let's look at page 16. Number 1, they sat on the bed. And look, guys, these 3 sentences say the same thing. They sat on the bed, they sat on the bed, they sat on the bed. But what I need you to tell me is which one of the underlined words is a noun. Is sat a noun? Can you touch it? No. Is it an animal or a person? No. Is on a noun? Can you touch it? Nope. Is it an animal, a person, or a thing? No. Bed. Can you touch a bed? Yes. Is it a thing? Yes. So you're going to mark bed. I'm just going to bubble it in. Number 2, she is with her mom. Is mom, is, or with? Which one is a noun? Remember, a noun is a person, an animal, or a thing. Now, to me, this one's pretty easy just because the first sentence has mom, and I know that's a person. So I don't have to think about is and with because I know mom is a person, so mom is a noun. He can read a book. A, book, and read. Which is one of the things you can touch? None of them are people. A is not a people, book is not a people, read is not a people. None of them are animals, a, book, or read. But one of them is a thing, a book, because you can touch it. The boy plays with a pet. Plays with and pet. Which one of those is a noun? Pet. Very good. Okay. Now, this page is a little bit different than things we've done. It's talking about books. And it says, circle the front cover. Guys, the front cover is the front of your book. And is this the front or is this the front? This is the front. Good. It says put an X on the back cover. Is this the back cover or this the back cover? Well, let's look. This is in the middle of a book. So this, I'm going to put an X on. That's the back cover. And last, it says circle the book that Sam wrote. This says The Sad Cat by Sam. This says My Cat by Dan. Which one is the book that Sam wrote? The first one or the second one? Good, it's the first one. Excellent work, my friends. And then I do want you to go ahead and do these 2 pages because these are just review. Practice writing your A's. I want you to write them as neat as you possibly can. And then circle the group that has a real word, and we've done these before. And we'll check these tomorrow. So I'm going to put a little note up there to check them. All right. I also want to play a little bit of a word game with you, or a letter game with you. And I'm going to close my book, and I'm going to pull out my ABC cards. And I'm just going to pull a couple out, and we're going to see if we can figure out what letter they are. So, letter W, like whale. Letter S, like sun. Sun. Letter J, like jelly. Oh, I like jelly. Letter T, like tent. And there's a tent. Letter Q, like queen. And there's the queen. All right. We've practiced a few of those letters. You can buy a box of these cards at the dollar store. And you can practice these letters too. And I want you to practice your sounds. Play a few games with them, do those pages, and listen to the Nouns Wrap. Bye.